HSGQ team arrived in the Philippines in April to participate in the two-day ITAP event. Come to the ITAP venue. Let's take a look at the progress of the preparations. At the event, our booth attracted many customers to consult.
Many customers to stop and consult.
In addition to our O panels, ONU, and SFP series products, the newly launched PAP products have won wide attention
and strong interest with their unique advantages.
We are honored to discuss future cooperation directions with
many partners and explore more business opportunities.
The event is about to start, and everyone is looking forward to it.
It was time for the foreign trade manager to give a speech, introducing our history, team and factory. Also, our all-optical network solution was presented.
HSGQ #1.